Good morning. I've got the Einstein hair again. Oh, oh dear me. A lot cooler today. Yesterday was quite warm because I walked. It was a total of 3 miles with all the walking around the place I did. Should have screenshotted me step counter and showed you, but it resets in the morning. Oh dear me. I'm gonna go up there in when it comes to winter, when there's snow around. Hopefully, when there's snow there, I bet it looks all really different with all the snow. A little bit of a fog at the moment, like a misty haze. Oh. I've got a hair roaming around my face somewhere. Oh, forgot to get Wednesday's lottery as well. Bugger. I'll have a check to see if my numbers did come up. I'd be gutted if they did. That's been done before. When it lottery were £1, the fella spent his last £1 on a rose for his missus, and his numbers come up. Might be a BS story that, but you know, it's one of them things that might happen or could happen. Anyway, I'm gonna get a coffee, get a shower, see what else I can do today. I know I've got to wait for the inspection for gas, even though I don't use gas. Yeah, I've still got the piping in the air though. Still got to check it all, haven't they? That's later on today. I'm going to delete 32GB on this. All of it. Because every time I try and do it on my camera, it just keeps saying reset and all that. Scan and fix recommended. That's probably why it won't delete off through my camera. It's absolutely full of videos from my camera. See if I can save some of them as well. I've got one from a Fuji make thingy, one from about 4 from my Fuji camera, and about 8 from my Nikon camera. But they're not playing. No, they're not playing. I'll show you. Just showing as a broken file. I wasn't expecting much anyway, so I'll delete that one. It's still 2.5GB and there's nothing there. Permanent delete it, yep. That's 2.5 gigabyte of, I've got on my card now for my camera. See if this one plays. Oh, that's the one where I filmed out of the window when it was raining. That one plays alright. I'm going to delete it for a little bit of space because that's 650 kilobytes. This is one of the problems that I'm not sure if everybody does it, but things like that fill up your bloody memory cards, and that's following me. I'm using a DJI gimbal, no hands on it when it's trying to focus on me. The only problem is with these JPG files, they really are bad. Bad picture as well. Delete that one. As soon as I've got it all deleted, I can use it in my camera. I will be going to shop in a bit as well. I need to get some more pop. I'm absolutely totally out. It looks like it's raining as well now. Stop wobbling. Nah, it's not raining, but oh, it is actually. You can see it just on the road here. I'm not even going to bother putting a coat on. Still quite warm. When I get my voice back, I'll talk. It is raining as well still. It's lucky I went out down there yesterday. We still got quite a decent length of a video. I'm not sure if that were a rabbit I saw down there or a squirrel. Oh, I can smell wet mud. Petrichor. If I went out today, I wouldn't have stuck my drone up. Would have been a bit awkward in rain. I know you can buy them waterproof, wet drones or something like that they're called. You can actually go in water as well, but a bit too expensive. I'll need to charge this camera as well soon. Oh, and delete some footage after I've downloaded it. I've only got I think it's 64 gigabyte card in this one, which gives me about 110 minutes. It's getting heavier and I'm getting wet. It's still warm, really warm. I'm the type of guy that turns around and says to people wearing a t-shirt in rain, "You're crazy," and I've got a t-shirt on. But I've got trousers, I haven't got shorts this time. I've got 25% left on this battery and I'm nearly home anyway. I will continue with this video using my phone. The other DJI camera is also being charged. I ran out of it yesterday. So, and that's what's done it to this one as well. Forgot to recharge them yesterday when I got home. Right, I'm using my gimbal now as well. My phone and my gimbal. Starting to get heavy outside as well. Can't turn this film on a minute. Quite heavy now. At least I'm inside anyway, so don't bother me. I'll go and make myself a coffee, warm up a bit. Also got some peanuts, dry roasted ones, I love them. Have a latte instead. Stop juddering, you're only supposed to be standing there looking at me. Funny thing. It's not even that late either now. Just gone 10:30 I think. Still got to wait in for them to come. I've had it capped off so I don't pay me gas bills or anything because I've got nothing gas in here, only the cooker's electric, the shower's electric. The only thing that would be gas is the radiators, but I'm not paying standing charges, you know, for when I'm not using it through summer. That's why I got them little heaters and stuff like that. But they still need to check out on the gas. Following me, and then still need to check out on the gas fittings and stuff like that. This still got the gas box in. That's not been taken out. I got it capped off when the old company went bankrupt, and it was Robin Hood Energy it was called. Now it's following me. Robin Hood Energy, that's what it used to be called. Still got the token meter I can't use anymore because it's absolutely useless. So as soon as they went bankrupt, I got it cut off, paid off a little, you know, bit of gas, got it cut off, and then used it all as electric. Might be a bit of a pain if the electric goes, but I don't mind. I can manage. Used to manage in 70s and 80s, so yeah, I can manage. It's really sweet today, really sweet. I don't even add sugar to it, so I don't know why it's so sweet. Right, I'm going to sort out this card now. This one's half a terabyte, 512 gigabyte. Eject that one safely first though. Oh dear me. You can see me horrible passageway. I've got that black carpet that I used to have in here. I might put that in the passageway. Might be all worth it. Right, I'm going to leave this video here. If you like my videos, give us a like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Thanks for watching.